Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. I want to show you my new grill real quick. You can look at the box right now. I'm gonna make a video doing the unboxing. I want to go ahead and show you my new grill. All right. Right there she is. Right there. Can you see it? Look at that box. The Blackstone, a 17-inch air fryer and griddle combo portable adventure ready. I think that is awesome. It's exclusive at Walmart right now, and you have to order it and have it shipped to you. It was a pretty big boy that dropped this sucker off. He just picked it up like it was a little brick. I think it weighs 79 pounds or something. That doesn't sound too portable to me, but anyway, I don't know. On the lid, air fryer. You know, I'm starting to be an air fryer person. Blackstone and adventure ready. This is going to be pretty cool. I like the grips on the sides. Think about it. Think about this. You're cooking breakfast and your bacon's ready. What do? You put it in a warmer. Your biscuits, hash browns. You put stuff in the warmer. That sucker is long. I'm going to be making the unboxing and putting it together video. And when it comes out, I will attach it up into the corner of this video for anybody that sees it at that point in time. Until then, stay tuned for more outdoor cooking and other stuff. It's Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen, somewhere. See ya.